Okay, 22 Mark II, Gila 22 ammo, 20 mile per hour wind, shooting at 100. I've experienced a 4-inch drop, and to the right, the wind taking it like 4 inches, so it's a true 4 inches that way. So careful there, buddy.
That's on camera, ain't it?
Yeah. All right. So for the first group, just 2 5-shot groups. I'll be hitting. First I aim dead center, then I'll Kentucky windage my way 4 inches up to the left, and I should still be hitting true. So just to see where it's hitting for the first one, dead center. Okay, now I'll be aiming high and left 4 inches, and I should be hitting dead center. At least that's what I'm hoping for. We'll see. The wind has not been consistent, so that's also affecting me. We shall see. Okay, again, not the best group, not the best day. Let's take a look at the end.